We bought it about 3.5 years ago. The building had Class M planning approved already, which had a variety of things that we could use it for. One was offices and storage, so we applied for plan application to change the barn. It's on the same footprint, but just raise the ridge height and turn it into offices and storage. The process for finding the materials that I wanted to use, we wanted to try and keep it in keeping with the surrounding area again, so we needed to find a corrugated sheet roof that we could use. We looked at the galvanised sheeting, but the lifespan wasn't as good, so we ended up finding Cembrit. The cladding itself is Douglas fir. It's actually a steel frame building with timber infills. With fitting the sheets, it all went really well. It only took about 5 days to do the whole area. The south side, where we've got the solar panels fitted, that works very well because the same fittings that we use to fit the sheets, the solar guys use exactly the same fittings, but they were slightly longer. Yeah, the finished product turned out exactly how we wanted it. We didn't really have any issues with any of the products we used.